taught him because he was an older, more refined guy. But you can't say make him the left tackle then, because you got a year on Broderick Jones, and I don't think you want to compare. Okay, he was the better college left tackle, and throughout what Jones has done his rookie year. So, yeah.
On the south side of my house, it gets real heated over here. So you have to do some things to make sure that when you plant your flowers, that you don't get a whole bunch of weeds and stuff. It's sometimes a lot of trouble to keep the dandelions, the crabgrass, the clover, different things out of this bed over here on the side. So I just try to put some clean mulch on there. When you have mulch, moisture retention is better. So the garden or the flowers or whatever, it really thrives. But when you're getting this mulch, you can get bagged or you can have it delivered. It takes about 13 to 15 pitchforks to fill up my wheelbarrow. But when you fill up that wheelbarrow, you have to take it to whatever part of the lawn and put it in. But you sometimes have to get on your hands and knees. I cannot just sprinkle it like some people do and it looks right to me. So I throw it down there and I get on my hands and knees. And, I got the knee pads on, so I just keep it moving. I have some bushes here that just have to clip. This little device that I have here, it cuts through about 1.5 to 2 inch branch. So, clip, and it's gone. If it's gonna rain real heavy and you just have dirt, that may cause that side of your house to erode, or things start draining to the bottom part of the hillside. You don't want that soil runoff, that erosion. So mulch acts as a shield. It absorbs a lot of the raindrops and stuff like that. It keeps the structure in place, and that's what you really want. Some people call this a crack weeder, a handheld razor hoe. There's a lot of names for it, but I tell you what, this is one of my favorite tools. It digs up everything. Over time, this mulch will break down. It'll basically merge in with the soil. Earthworms and other living organisms, whatever is down there, will thrive as this stuff breaks down. And it'll just make the soil nice and rich. It was a bright, sunny day that day, but it took me 2 days to do the mulch because it rained half of each day. So I really couldn't get it all done in one day like I normally do. And then the next day, there's a little bit of crap and junk from the trees from the thunderstorms. we're getting into the best part of the year for the lawn. It's usually the end of May, beginning of June here in Northeast Ohio. So the lawns are really starting to kick in. You can see the mulch area where I put the paper down and then I put the mulch on top. That'll suppress the weeds all year. Then it's biodegradable and it'll just, go back into the earth. So this has been Lon Jenkins. Thanks for joining me.